Wala po akong intention talaga magsinungaling, pero yung misis ko po kasi talaga ay madalas po, masakit po talaga siyang diabetes at saka meron po talaga siyang hypertension. At katunayan nga po, marami po siyang mga maintenance po na gamot na ginagamit.
So, Mr. Diskaya, you are cited in contempt of this committee.
Bali ano po, may ano po siya, yung may heart condition din po siya at saka po nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.
For the record, and for the information of everybody, sumulat po si Mrs. Diskaya. I deeply regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations. Regrettably, I have an important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing to explain the problem that the company is facing now and the effects this has on them. This meeting was already scheduled before I received the Honorable Committee's invitation this late afternoon, and some of my employees will be coming from various places. Thus, I can no longer cancel the meeting set for tomorrow. As such, I'm sincerely sorry.
Mr. Chairman, with that letter, nagsisinungaling itong si Mr. Diskaya na meron daw karamdaman yung kanyang asawa.
Mr. Chair, nanumpa ito to tell the truth, and dito harap-harapang nagsinungaling ka, binabastos mo kami, niloloko mo kami. Diba? Huwag mo kami lokohin because the chairman has the power to cite you in contempt. I mean, do not do that. Iba yung sinasabi mo, medical condition. Kung may medical condition, sige nga, bigyan mo nga kami ng medical certificate. Iba yung sinasabi mismo na misis mo eh. Di ba kayo nag-usap? Sana nag-usap muna kayong dalawa. Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
Mr. Chair,
You lied.
letter excuse of Mrs. Diskaya is totally unacceptable. Sabi niya, meron siyang meeting. This hearing is of national interest. Huwag na lulukuhin itong hearing na ito.
Again, the chair asks, what is the pleasure of the members?
I-contempt, Mr. Chair.
Is that a motion?
I seconded, Mr. Chair.
Kindly raise a motion.
I-contempt, Mr. Chair.
Who are we citing in contempt of the committee?
The one who is lying, Mr.
The,
Chairman.
Mr. Diskaya.
Yes.
So please explain.
Your Honor, humihingi po ako ng pasensya po sa inyo. Wala po akong intention talaga magsinungaling, pero yung misis ko po kasi talaga ay madalas po, masakit po talaga siyang diabetes at saka meron po talaga siyang hypertension. At katunayan nga po, marami po siyang mga maintenance po na gamot na ginagamit.
Lalo akong nalilito sa show cause ni Mr. Diskaya kung bakit hindi niyo po siya dapat i-cite in contempt for lying. Iba po ang heart condition sa diabetes, iba rin po yon sa hypertension, at lalong iba sa mag-a-absent sa hearing natin dahil lamang may meeting siya. So, lalo siya
Okay.
kung nalulunod sa baha ng mga malimaling
well
sagot
taken,
po
well
niya,
noted.
Mr. Chair.
Pangalawa, mag-asawa sila, imposible hindi niya alam, hindi sila nag-uusap tungkol doon sa health conditions ng silang dalawang magkasama. Very clear for me na tulad nga sinabi ni Senator Erwin, pinagluloko tayo nito, ginagawa tayong parang mga
Okay.
bata rito.
There's no objection. So Mr. Diskaya, you are cited in contempt of this committee.